If you are watching this video, you have found the Halo Fanatics channel.
Yes, this video is definitely way better than any of the other videos you'll ever find on this thing these ones call YouTube.
Well, this is the channel for everything you need to know Halo and video games. Well, there might be some other stuff in between that we smash, but just pretty cool stuff altogether. So if you're looking for dolls, get out of here.
Damn it! That's it! You want me to get out of here? Just because I look for dolls doesn't mean that I'm not a man. Goodbye.
Well, I don't want to look dumb either. So just, if you thought I wanted to, but you're wrong. Hey, guess what? We have the Barbie doll over there.
Oh, what do you do?
Great.
Well, this also has some scientific stuff like glitches and tricks that we'll find over the time. So if you need any help finding that, well, you're looking at the right channel.
Yeah, I love the Halo Fanatics. So, Salter, you need to get out there and go subscribe to the Halo Fanatics. You got that, boys? Sorry, yes, sir. Subscribe now.